Force quitting apps on your iPhone completely stops an app's processes, including background activities. While iOS is designed to efficiently manage apps, force quitting becomes necessary when an app is unresponsive, drains battery excessively, or causes overheating. Here are the main situations when you should force quit an app. Remember, iOS manages apps efficiently on its own. To force quit, double-click the side button to access the app switcher, then swipe up on the app card to close it. Keep in mind that overuse isn't recommended. Let iOS manage memory unless problems arise, as closing apps doesn't magically free up memory. iOS handles that automatically. To force quit an app, first access the app switcher by double-clicking the side button on your iPhone. Once in the app switcher, locate the app you want to close. Swipe up on the app's preview card to close it entirely. In modern iOS 18 and later, control background apps through Settings General Background App Refresh. Check battery settings to identify apps consuming the most energy. On iPhone 15 Pro models, customize the action button for quick app closing. Use Siri shortcuts to automate app closing commands. Rely on iOS AI features where apps self-optimize, reducing manual force quits.